To activate the relay from our Smart Guardian application, we can activate the relay for different things. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate the relay for motion. Start by clicking on the profile icon. Select Remote Settings, and then the desired device if many. Scroll down to Alarm. Click on that, and from there, go to Motion. In Motion, we can turn on the relay, for example, an external siren to go off if there's a motion detected by that camera. We're going to scroll down to Trigger Alarm Out, tap on it, and click on the particular alarm out we want to send this to. We'll be selecting IP Channel 3, then going back and saving the settings. Now, when we go back to our main view on Channel 3 or Channel 1, or any of them where we set for motion detection, whenever there's a motion in that channel, the siren will go off. This is how to activate a relay on the Smart Guardian application.